The other bill Governor Reynolds signed today creates higher penalties for people who manufacture, deliver, or possess controlled substances like fentanyl. If an Iowan makes, transports, or possesses a controlled substance over 50 grams and it contains fentanyl, they could face up to 50 years in prison and fines up to $1 million. If it's less than 50 grams, a person would face up to 25 years in prison and fines between $5,000 and $100,000. And this harsher stance on fentanyl comes as law enforcement and state agencies are sounding the alarm on the rise of its accidental usage. Local 5's Mary Sugden joins us with their perspective.
Stephanie, out of all the opioid overdoses last year, 89% of them involved synthetic opioids like fentanyl. And just this year, 41 Iowans have died of an opioid overdose. Now, I spoke with the Polk County Health Department for what change it would like to see to prevent these deaths.
We've heard from our police department contacts that there has been an increase in the street drug supply of fentanyl being laced in.
According to the Iowa Governor's Office of Drug Control Policy, in 2022, Iowa law enforcement seized over 5 times the amount of fake pills laced with illicit opioids compared to the year before.
That's dangerous because fentanyl is 100 times stronger than morphine.
Madison Van Gundy with the Polk County Health Department says what makes this potency so concerning, how unaware people are it's in the drugs they're taking before they ingest them.
A majority of overdose deaths we're seeing are accidental. People aren't aware that fentanyl is laced in the drugs.
Which is why Van Gundy says the health department ideally would like to see a different type of safeguard in place to help people know for sure what's in their medication or substance.
If someone is deciding to take a drug, but they have fentanyl test strips, if they detect fentanyl is laced in their drug, they might decide to not take the drug or reduce the amount that they're taking, or proceed with caution.
Van Gundy says for now, those testers are considered drug paraphernalia and are illegal in Iowa, something she hopes changes.
And our Board of Supervisors this past year actually started working on a bill to make fentanyl test strips legalized. So that is something that is important to the health department because we, again, believe that it's a great prevention tool.
Something else to keep in mind, Narcan has recently been approved as an over-the-counter treatment. It's the nasal spray or injection that can reverse opioid overdoses. Now, Van Gundy says a number of pharmacies in our area provide it for free. Stephanie.
Mary, thank you.